Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your remote isn't working with your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. The first and the most obvious solution is simply replacing the batteries in your remote control. Your remote control cannot be paired on or unpaired with your TV. It uses just the infrared scanner, infrared blaster in front of it, so you can easily check it out if you just face the fronts of your TV remote control to the camera on your smartphone, for example. And to replace your batteries, you're gonna have to remove the back side of your TV in the way that you push it to the top a little, and it can be simply taken off your TV. Then, as you can see, we are using two alkaline 3A or AAA batteries. So replace the installed ones with the new ones. Then just try using your remote control once again, see if your TV reacts to it. If it doesn't, then we can soft restart our TV, and then we can also cold reboot it in a way that, well, in order to soft restart it, you have to press the power button, the physical joystick located at the bottom of your TV, in the bottom right side of your TV. So just hold it down and wait for the LED light to become static. And once it becomes static, you just have to wait until your TV restarts. After a moment, you will see the Philips logo on your screen. Now just wait until your TV is restarted. And after the TV is restarted, after the Philips logo disappears from your screen, your TV will actually become active and responsive to your remote control touches. So you can press the home button on your remote control, and this should transfer you to the home menu. I don't know why it happens, so why it doesn't transfer you automatically to the home menu after soft reset operation, but that's just the way it is. And if your TV isn't responsive to your process, then instead of soft resetting it, we can short press the power button at the bottom, and then unplug the TV from the power source, and then leave it like this for about a minute. And after a minute, just turn it back on again by plugging it back into the power source, and if needed, short pressing the power button. So after your TV restarts and reboots back into the back to the home screen, try checking your remote control once again, and if your TV stays unresponsive to your remote control button touches, then at this point you should just get yourself a new remote control, because yours is probably malfunctioning, and is most likely a hardware issue. So just get yourself a new remote control, and in the meantime you can replace your remote control with the application with the phone application of Philips Smart TV that is available for both Android and iPhones, where you can use the virtual remote control that is fully functional, just like the regular one, and has all the same features. If you want to learn how to use your smartphone as a remote control, check out the video on our channel that is titled "How to Use Your Smartphone as a Remote Control for Philips 32PFS6939 TV." And that will be all for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.